Here we are in Kissimmee, and everybody's here. No wallow. Paso. Hey. Yeah.
Hey, Jack.
There's Mark. Well, it was a great morning to fly.
Hey, Jack.
Nothing. Yeah. Martin's here taking his son up on a tandem. The flight started very well. Great takeoff. I looped around the LZ waiting for other flyers to catch some air. Then I started following them for the cross-country trip ahead. I was on my 18-meter Piper with the trims out, about 100 feet over the treetops, when I reached for my phone to take a picture of flyers above me. Once I put the phone back, I realized I had dropped and was about 20 feet over the treetops. I reached for my throttle to power through and climb back up, but when I hit the throttle, it choked. I tried again and nothing. I pulled a hard left to see if I can get back out to the clearing, but it was too late. I thought, this is gonna happen. So I crossed my arms in front of my face and braced for impact. After a couple seconds of thrashing around branches, I found myself wedged on the fork of a tall tree 40 feet from the ground. It took me 10 to 15 minutes to work my way out of my harness. I did not have a pocket knife. Once I was able to release myself from the harness, I held onto the tree while the motor swung away from me and I carefully shimmied down the tree. Luckily, no broken bones, just a few scratches on my arms and legs. So I hiked back to the LZ. The wing and the paramotor are 20 feet up in the air. Once the other guys came back, they couldn't believe it. They wanted to go check it out. Okay, we're almost there. We found a shorter way to get to that forest, and we found the unit hanging 40 feet off the ground. Okay, so we found where I crashed.
Where is it? I still don't even see. Oh,
that's where I climbed down from.
Holy shit.
So we're up in the tree trying to salvage. Where the hell is it? Is that it? Not worth it. It's too high and it seemed impossible to get today. I'll be back Wednesday with a chainsaw, a pole, and a knife at the end to see if I can cut this thing down and bring it home. After 13 years of flying, the adventure never gets old. What's the moral of the story? Avoid distractions, put the phone down, enjoy the flight. Well, the crash happened on Saturday, and it wasn't until Wednesday that I was able to come back and try to recover it. The adventure begins. We're going to go rescue that motor. Here are the volunteers. Marty, Jim, and Vladimir. I could have avoided this if I'd have flown a little higher. One of the basic lessons in paramotoring.
You almost made it. Almost. Some feet.
A local flyer from Kissimmee, Sean, had been here earlier with a friend trying to recover the unit. The motor, frame, and netting was in perfect condition. We had come with the intention to drop the tree, but after taking a closer look, it seems that we could avoid damaging the unit further if we could just climb the tree, reach it, unhook it from the risers, and lower it with a rope. So we did just that. That meant that Monkey Jack had to get to climbing.
You don't have to rush it, man. This is why OSHA says you gotta wear a, yeah.
You guys fly tricycles? What is that?
That's 35 feet right there, the wing. It's
All right.
40, 45, easy.
Toss it and got it.
Yeah, no.
Okay, let's get to lowering. Darn it, the GoPro stopped recording, so this is what you get. The wing is still up there. Marty's now going to knock the tree down in the right direction so we can try and salvage the wing. Nobody panic. Marty has done this before. Yes, I brought a drone.
Pull, pull.
Timber!
Damn, on the way down, one of the risers got caught on another tree. We're going to try and get to the line. And it made it impossible to release unless we bring another, larger tree down. That tree top is not budging the other riser. Go! So we huffed and we puffed and we couldn't bring the wing down. Nah, it ain't budging. We got the motor
We're getting out of here.
We got the unit, the wing stays. Maybe in a couple more days, I'll come back with a chainsaw and bring down that big tree and try to salvage that Piper. Not a terror. It's in good condition still. What do I want for Christmas? A new Piper 20 meter.
Yeah.
Of course, it has to end with a trip to IHOP. Every effort has its reward. Thank you, everybody.
Oh yeah.